So I decided to go out on a limb and buy the Camco Camper RV Curved Trailer Aid. It has a little chock that comes with it, as well as a rubber base pad. It was designed for a dual axle trailer to be used as a way to lift the trailer to change the other tire. But in my case, we have a single axle trailer, yet I find myself not having enough lift from your traditional tire leveler ramp when we go off-road. When we boondock off-road and off the grid, I find that the ground is rarely level and I need a little extra. Rather than stack a bunch of wood, I decided to buy this Camco trailer aid and see how it works. Let's check it out.
So the hope is with this device is that we can just do a little bit or a lot. Let's try a little bit and then we'll try a lot.
We're gonna back up and I'm gonna walk to the front of the truck, see how things go. So, that part didn't work so good.
Yeah, my guess is that this is not going to last forever. The rubber itself is definitely going to be gone soon. And again, I think this is best not to use on pavement. I think we'll use this for our off-road needs.
So in the end, we determined that this isn't the best device if you're on just straight old cement and asphalt, but you're likely not that unlevel if you're sitting on a parking lot or on asphalt. But this works really well when you're in the grass, the gravel, or the dirt, and you really need to lift that RV up. We've used it now a good half dozen times, and I think it'll stay as part of our kit, at least until it breaks or we come up with a better idea.
When you're using this on the dirt, if you're not using the rubber pad, which I don't think will last, we already poked holes in it with this thing, you need to be able to knock out all that dirt or it ends up with a big pile of dirt in the back of the truck. I mean, it's a pickup truck, it's not gonna hurt it, but I prefer not to put a shovel full of dirt in the back of my truck every time I'm pulling away from a spot.